Hello, in this video we are going to look at how to work with the error message that SQL Server's Evaluation Edition has expired. So how you get to that error message is a little unusual. First indication that something is wrong is you try to connect to SQL Server, the one that you were using yesterday or maybe a couple days ago. And it was working fine previously, but now after a reboot it's not. You can't connect to it. Now, whenever you see a message like this, the first thing to do is open up Configuration Manager. Remember that if you're using Windows 10, Configuration Manager needs to be accessed under the Windows on Windows folder. So just look up SQL Server Configuration Manager Windows 10 on the internet. You'll see what I mean. But once you have that open, you can right-click and try to start this. The problem is, though, is that it will not start. It'll just go ahead and eventually time out. At that point, the error message isn't much different than what we just saw. It doesn't really point to what the issue is. But if you go in here and you type in Event Viewer, and you look at the Windows log, application log, you will see right after you try starting it and it fails, you have to try to start it and have it fail, that the SQL Server evaluation period has expired. And that's the issue. Now, one way to solve this is to uninstall SQL Server and reinstall it. That will work. Another way to do it, though, is to come over here to the S's, or M's rather, Microsoft SQL Server, and start up the installation. It's because there is an upgrade wizard under the maintenance category. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, I thought for sure I installed the developer edition. Well, I don't blame you, because what happens is that you have to flip that drop-down box in order to be able to get the developer edition instead of the evaluation edition. And that is a really easy thing to miss. So I've just flipped that down and pressed the button to navigate the little installation or upgrade wizard forward. And as you can see, I'm just going ahead and go all the way to the end, choosing the defaults, and I'm doing the upgrade. I'm going to go ahead and pause it because this is very exciting. It may take a minute or two. Okay, well, it finished up. Now, it took a long time for it to run. And one thing I think that was causing it is because I had Management Studio open or some of the other windows open. So I closed them down, and almost immediately it finished up. Now, that could be coincidence, but it's likely that you need to close all the applications down before you start this process, everything but the upgrade wizard. Okay, that should be it. Let's go see if SQL Server starts. So, I'll go back in here. I need to open up Configuration Manager. And you can see SQL Server is not running. Go ahead and start it. And this is where I didn't show it because it takes a little time. This is where it would have failed before, and now it's not failing. It's actually working, which is awesome. That's exactly what I need for it to do. Analysis Server got upgraded as well. In fact, all these tools would have got upgraded. So we're in good shape. So not too bad a fix as long as you know what the issue is. But at first it's not obvious. Remember that the telltale sign was you couldn't access SQL Server from Management Studio, and now we can. And then you came over and you tried to start SQL Server from Configuration Manager. It wouldn't run. And then you checked the event viewer and found that message that the evaluation copy had expired. Well, hopefully that will help people who are dealing with this. Take care.